Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. As a matter of fact, if today now your first day coming here, please subscribe and like. Don't forget to click on the notification button to enable you get new of our videos, okay? Now the Obunge oils be this. For those of us who dey want oil that I just need oil for my skin, oil that I can use without mix it to lotions. Now then be this I pack for you so, and I tell you all this oil, no side effect, no blemishes. Are you getting it? Your no skin irritation. You go use them now so your skin go begin the white. In 7 days your skin will begin the white. For us that we love whiteness, if you don't want whitening, if you don't want white, no come here or don't come close. If you don't want to white, don't use this oils. Are you getting it? So this now the original oil you will use for your skin. And if you want to mix it to your lotion, there's nothing wrong with that. If you want to mix it to your lotion or you want to mix it to your soap, there is nothing wrong with that. Are you getting it? Not forget, the oil makes your skin, it moisturize your skin before it lightens you in 7 days. This is the right oil I would suggest for you. And if you want us to send you recipes, any of the country, wherever you are, we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere. Just name it. Yeah. Okay. US, Canada, Europe, Asia country. Just name it. Everywhere. UK, we ship everywhere. Around the globe, we ship everywhere. And our products, they are original. I know you'll be thinking, should I buy from him or should I patronize it? Go ahead. Go ahead, give it a try. You will so love it. Even our lotions, we have good lotions. Now let me show you one. Alright? I told you about this yellow CC also. This yellow CC is very effective. Very effective. As it is, very effective. In 1 week you will see result. 1 week you will see result. No side effect at all. These are the right products you'll be dreaming to get. And if you know that you can aside all those how to be dropping, if you know that you can't promise yourself, you want us to be selling you as a wholesale, so all you want to be a distributor, fine, you can talk to us one-on-one. Then we negotiate it out, right? So I said happy new month once again. Don't forget our promo is on. The promo is still on. Bye bye.